Welcome. Thank you for visiting. If you enjoy our content and want to stay updated with the latest tips, ideas, and inspiration, please subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the like button and turn on notifications. Join our community and be part of the journey. Thank you. Woodworking is an art that combines craftsmanship, creativity, and functionality, transforming raw timber into stunning pieces that elevate your living space. Whether you prefer rustic charm or modern elegance, woodworking offers endless possibilities to personalize your home decor. By exploring different techniques and styles, you can create furniture that not only serves a purpose but also tells a story. Join us as we delve into the world of woodworking and unlock ideas to craft your dream home with natural beauty. Woodworking furniture is more than just a trend. It's a sustainable and eco-friendly choice that brings warmth and character to any room. The natural grains and textures of wood create a cozy atmosphere, making your house feel like a true home. From handcrafted coffee tables to intricate cabinets, each piece can be customized to match your aesthetic preferences. Learning about different types of wood, finishes, and carpentry techniques allows you to select materials that stand the test of time. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or a beginner, discovering woodworking opens doors to creating unique, meaningful furniture pieces that reflect your personality. Transforming your home with woodworking furniture begins with inspiration. Visit local craft fairs, browse online portfolios, or follow expert woodworkers on social media to gather ideas. Think about the style you want, be it minimalist, vintage, or contemporary, and consider how each piece will complement your existing decor. Planning is key. Sketch your designs, choose the right wood, and determine your budget. With patience and passion, you can craft custom furniture that fits your space perfectly. One of the most rewarding aspects of woodworking is the ability to create functional art. Imagine a handcrafted dining table that becomes the centerpiece of family gatherings, or a bespoke bookshelf that showcases your favorite books and collectibles. Every cut, joint, and finish adds character and durability to your furniture. Learning to work with different tools and techniques enhances your skills and opens up new, creative avenues. Thank you so much for watching and supporting us. Your support means everything. If you enjoyed this content, please subscribe to stay updated with our latest videos. Don't forget to like, share, and hit the notification bell. Join our community and be part of our exciting journey. Thanks again.